Devin meets her grandkids. Are you good, Mama? Are you Grandma now? Do you love the babies? Oh, there are the babies up there. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, I love the babies. You're such a good grandma, too. Yeah, you gonna teach them how to get in and out? You gonna teach them? They don't know how. Oh, show her how to get up the ramp. What a good grandma. You love the babies? That's a good girl. Yeah, go see them. Are they crying? You don't like it when they cry, do you? That's a good girl. Babies are 3 weeks old today. We just opened their ramp and gave them an extended play area. They're not really crazy about it because, well, some of them haven't even found it yet. They're still asleep. They're not crazy about it because they can't get up the ramp. And Mr. Fawn Boy was the first one down the ramp. It took him about 3 seconds. Oh, Devin, that's her food. Stop now.